Okay, for the plot of drain current versus gate source voltage. So we have given here the electromobility is mu sub n zero point zero 0.05. The unit here m squared over v is. We have also the oxide permittivity here 4.53 times 10 to the negative 11. The unit here is farad over meter. We have the oxide thickness here 10 times 10 to the negative 9. So the unit here is meter. We have the Tox here. This is the oxide capacitance. So the unit here is farad per meter squared. So this is equal to the F Tox over Tox. This is equal to the oxide permittivity divided by the oxide thickness. Then we have the W here. This is the channel width, 10 times 10 to the negative 6 meter. Then the channel length, 1 times 10 to the negative 6. This is the unit here is meter. Then we have the VTH here. This is the threshold voltage. Then the transconductance perimeter here is equal to K. It's the product of the electromobility and the oxide capacitance, and multiplied also by the W over A3 here. So define ID as a function of VGS and VDS here. VGS and VDS. So the drain current here, linear. So VGS, VDS. So it's given with the formula here, K times VGS minus VDH multiplied by VDS. The difference here is multiplied by VDS minus zero point 0.5 times VDS squared. Then we have the drain current here, saturated. So this is a function of VGS, zero point 0.5 times K. So our K here is the transconductance perimeter multiplied by the square of VGS. Uh, the difference between VGS and VTH. So the VGS here is the voltage from the gate to the source. The VTH is the threshold threshold voltage. So select VDS for saturation conduction. So the fixed value of VDS here is 2.0, and uh, and the unit here is the volt. So define piecewise ID curve versus VDS. So the piecewise here means we split the we split the plots here. So the plot for the uh, from zero. So y here is equal to zero. The vertical axis equal to zero. But the VDS here is less than the VDH. Okay, so here in our graph, this is for zero. ID here is equal to zero, then up to one. So the one here is uh, our threshold voltage here. So from zero to one, the corresponding value of drain current is equal to zero. Then for the I saturation here, saturation is greater than VGS here. Here is greater than VTH. So the here from one to three, so the value uh, of the voltage, gate source voltage is greater than the VTH. So the VTH here is equal to one. So greater than one, we have 1.1 up to 3.0. Then plot the transfer characteristic here. So plot the ID. Uh, so we plot the drain current here or ID as a function of VDS here. So we multiply this by 1,000 because the unit here is in terms of milliampere. So this one, so ID. So we have here ID time as a function of VGS. Then from 0 to 3 here. So from 0 to 3, so we have the graph here. So we have the VGS here as the x-axis. So axis label here VGS V, and for the y-axis we have the ID milliampere. Flat style, I think blue. We have the filling here. Axis the blue color here. Then we have the grid lines automatic. We have the grid lines here. Then plot label MOSFET transfer characteristic ID versus VGS, and in the below that is the saturation region. VD is equal to 2 here. Image size is large.